Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming two essentials: battery level above 20% and a clean fingerprint sensor so enrollment won't fail. Once ready, remove any screen protector over the sensor and clean your finger. This prevents misreads. Now go to Settings, choose Security and Privacy, then Fingerprint. Tap Add Fingerprint and follow the on-screen animation. Press your finger naturally and lift when prompted. This starts the capture sequence. Repeat as directed until the phone confirms a partial registration. Continue by adjusting your finger placement, each prompt so the sensor collects edges and center. This improves reliability for different grips. Make sure to register multiple angles. You'll be asked to lift and place again several times until the system shows completion. When prompted, set a secure PIN or password as the mandatory backup for lock screen access. Also give the fingerprint a clear label like right thumb and enable it for lock screen unlock, so the sensor will unlock your phone directly. Finish by locking the screen and testing the new fingerprint. Place the registered finger naturally on the sensor and confirm it unlocks instantly. If it fails, remove the saved fingerprint and re-register, making sure to capture edges and different angles. Sometimes two registrations for the same finger help. If problems persist, inspect or remove any case or film, restart the phone, and check for system updates. These steps resolve most sensor or software conflicts, so the lock screen finger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.